Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum
Sheikh,
assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I wanted to ask about the time of necessity for Asr prayer. Here in my area, the congregation prayer starts at 5, and Hanafi starts Asr prayer at 4:40, and Shafi at 3:30. So, and by 5, the shadow is at least 3 times the original length. Can I pray with them in congregation?
Do you have any other alternative?
Most of the mosques around my area pray around that time.
If you don't have any other alternative and you're stuck between praying alone, but at the beginning of the time, or praying with the congregation, but by delaying it to the time of necessity, the answer would be pray with the congregation, and Allah Azza wa Jal is most forgiving, most merciful, but do not pray alone.